Where are we going to, YouTube?
B-Halls.
B-Halls shop. What is up, guys? At the shop again today. It's been hot, really hot for like the past 2 weeks. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know, global warming, who knows, but whatever. So we're actually gonna head up to B-Halls. We're gonna go visit him. He actually has a day off, so we're gonna go to his shop, hang out for a little bit, do a few things, come back. Jip should actually be coming down today, which means we might actually poke the budget hatch today, which would be sick.
Highly doubt it.
Yeah, I highly doubt it. The Saturn's running like a gem right now. Come on, Tucker. There we go. So, yeah, let's go see what B-Hall is up to, see how much progress he made on his Mark III, and yeah, let's just go from there. Sound like a plan?
Hell yeah.
Ta-da! Here we are. I've never been here during the day. It's like kind of weird. Look, he knows. You can smell Brian's stank. Come on. Come on. Here you go.
What's up, boys? Thank you, sir.
Hey, Brian.
What's up, Tuck? What's up, man? Drew too. What's going on?
It's your first time here.
Reporting live. What's up? It is my first time here.
Look at this thing. This thing's ready for paint.
We're in 320 right now, so it's a couple more steps, minor steps, just fixing tiny little things right now.
Like glass when you're done.
I hope so. I just blocked this hood.
Look at let's go stand over there so you can see the.
It's 320, so and we still gotta go up from there.
Of course, Drew felt out the only dirt bike hit in the corner.
Trying to have B-Hall talk to me nice over here.
All right, Brian, you got so much more sanding to do.
I mean, yes.
I'd help, but I'd probably screw it up.
Yeah, don't try and help me, all right? People will probably complain and say that my block's not long enough. But, you know, screw you, it's my car, I'll do what I want.
All right, B-Hall. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you later, maybe?
Yeah, well, what are you gonna do?
I don't know yet. We'll figure it out.
Jesus. When did it get dark out?
Oh my God, wow, it cooled a lot though. All right, well, it is definitely gonna downpour, so.
Brian said there's a flash flood warning, so. It's 326, that's my favorite number.
Is it? It's 326, okay. All right.
Oh, it's 327, damn it.
It's 327, and it's like, it feels like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it does.
CT weather update, it's gonna rain.
It's raining.
Did we find something to do yet, B-Hall?
Yeah, I'm gonna no-stall this transmission.
Thing's a piece of shit.
You need some air.
All right, guys. Well, we're at the shop. It's raining, so Jip.
Take out your trash, garbage man.
So Jip decided. Well, Randy's got to fix the hard body. His slave cylinder's bad, but Jip's here. So this is gonna be the first wrench turned on a car in this bay in approximately 5 weeks.
Not 5 weeks.
4.
When did I go to Miami?
4 weeks ago.
Yeah, so 4 weeks.
There you go.
5 weeks ago.
Oh.
I'm calling you,
I'm waiting.
Randall,
Why? What am I getting?
Don Ovan,
Oh.
and the Boothmobile over there. I'm calling you all out.
Anyone has any cool trades or like cash offers to make me for my car? Hit me up in the DM.
For his front end, not the whole car.
No, the whole car.
Not the
All
whole
right,
car.
so Jip got this quick release, and he wants a quick release really bad. So
I got the right tool.
you're making a silhouette. I can't even see it.
Oh, you're trying to get the beauty shot. Fuck.
Okay, well, let me see the quick release. Let me show the gang. This isn't. Oh,
You all handed me this.
this could be a quick release, could it? All right. So energy quick release, so you could quick release your steering wheel, so it makes it easier to get in and out of the car, especially with a bucket seat and or a cage, right?
Yes. So I'm gonna have to do this every time.
Jip doesn't have like that short of a hub, so the steering wheel's gonna be out here pretty far, but it's a flat
shallow
wheel.
hub or
So,
shallow wheel. Yep.
I guess making the car more drift ready, yay.
Hey.
Psych!
More non-essential mods.
What are we waiting for? Injectors.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I'm waiting for Club Blues Classifieds.
Just been sleeping.
I've been busy.
Wake up, son.
We down here slanging, getting dough.
Team lacking. Starring Jip. Go ahead. You don't want it.
Well, these were not tight at all.
Look at you turning wrenches and whatnot.
Bro. Just because I ain't turning wrenches here don't mean I'm at home turning wrenches.
Didn't even make sense
he's
at all.
not. You're not turning.
Yeah. Ooh, this guy's a little sticky.
Is that what you call your boyfriend? Wrenches?
My boyfriend's right here.
What's that, wrenches?
Randy's wrenches. Just working on Randy's wrench. Just working Randy's wrench. Period.
All right, we're gonna stop right now.
You're getting all torqued up. I was wondering why that door was getting closer.
I can't do it though.
Why you shy on camera but not at home? Same deal. Stop. It took me so long to pop that in. That was new. Come on. Oh, I can't reach that. I got my harnesses on.
Exciting day down here at Jimmy Oaks' garage.
Shut up.
I'm happy you're turning bolts. That's all that matters.
Me too. Well, I didn't have anything
Next one.
to turn bolts on. I know, but I don't know what's like straight, so not like Drew.
See that forehead gleaming, boy.
It's like I'm doing a surgery right now. Scalpel.
How's she look?
Tight. Perfect. Holding very
you like
fast.
it? Yeah. A nice flick. Repeat rate.
No. And then when you go to get out, just like we'll go.
You don't have. That's the whole point of the quick release. You don't have to tilt your column up.
I'm doing it anyway to flex. I gotta work on that, okay? I'm new to this. This is new. There we go. Let's just put it on.
Do some more mods. We're gonna make this a whole thing today. What are we doing?
Hood.
Hood? What about
Hood.
it?
Gonna apply it
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
right to the.
Anything. I want any progress on this car. I'll take any of it. Making threads. Oh!
So many cobwebs on this.
That's a big spider right
Still
by
got the
Jip's right
bolts
hand.
in this.
Like how you moved your left hand when I said your right hand.
Cause I gotta get the bolts out, RJ. Dude, get the impact out of this dude's hand.
Lights.
Yo, hey,
Lightning McQueen style.
yo,
Chill out,
union
pal.
worker,
Headlights
just push
is
it
road
on.
bolts
tight before you
I can't when you're propped up against it.
It'd be nice if it had impact, wouldn't it?
It'd be nice if you just.
Nice if B-Hall wasn't.
I'm not even doing anything. See?
I'm not trying to.
Now you let go.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
No, I want you to stop
I'll show
fucking
you
with
how
it.
to do it. I've probably.
Cause it's in now that you're not leaning on it.
Nah.
Can we stop fucking Ugga thing in? See, you're not even on it. Fucking.
This is why Jip never comes down here to work on his car.
Cause I get. Yo, you don't know how to work on your car. We're just gonna self-tap it. All right, get this camera out of my face. We're done here. We're all set. Close the set. I like the pillow.
Does it close? Number one.
Yeah,
All right.
bitchin'.
How's it look?
Better than what you would do, B-Hall.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a little anti shout out right now. I'm gonna tell you Jip's Instagram right here. What should we have him tell Jip? To stop being a Jip. How about that? And to
Stop being a Jip.
get his car done. Get it done, Jip.
Get it done, Jip. Just get it done.
Tell everyone that he's jipping the subscribers of their content.
Wow.
Boom.
I would laugh sorry if you just nailed that thing into the hood.
This is a Z32 hood latch that I accidentally ordered. I ordered it on purpose, but I found my missing one, and so I don't need it. To the list, Jip. What are we doing right now?
Hood latch.
Hood latch what?
What?
The
Cable.
Yeah. So that's just one thing we forgot, I guess. Look at this dirty ass, yo. What did you just do?
Dude, this is after I just cleaned up. I just did a slave cylinder, but. Dude, every freaking seal on my truck's blown.
I know, but I'm just saying, like. You're like, oh, white shirt, word. Let's just go swimming in oil.
All right, close the hood. What did you have? Peanut butter and
When
cheese?
he was younger, he
Let's
just
see,
said that
it's
he used to eat peanut butter and cheese sandwiches.
People definitely.
So
When
it's
you're
pretty
like
far
5,
off.
you have
Way
weird
off.
things you.
Peanut butter and cheese. Can we go back to this topic? Peanut butter and cheese.
When I was like 5, yeah.
That's.
I was like, Mom, I want to try something different. She's like, what? She's like, peanut butter and cheese. She never looked at me weirder in my life.
I think we're good. That was Jip. Pull the hood latch.
Pull the cable!
You're gonna have to hold it in 2 hands, Jip. 2 hands.
I'm good at that.
Like a boy.
Come on.
Stuff it.
Oh, he's pulling on
was gonna say you're
something.
pulling
It
on
looks
something.
like it's getting.
2 hands, Jip.
Oh!
We got it. Pull the hood, Brian.
Hold it.
Beautiful. Look at that. All right, let's. Nice. Let's get the crash bar. It kind of just sandwiches on the frame rails, and Jip's is a little bowed up. It's not bent. It's just I don't know what happened, but there's a little bow to it. So Brian Hall. Stop it! No, you're not Brian Hall.
Nah, you can do it. Go for it.
All right, Jip, hit it.
Have fun.
Have fun. Master frame tech right here.
That's it.
That's right.
Oh, this fits amazing.
Like a glove.
I told you it
Perfect.
fit. Fits like a sock on a three-toed turtle. All right, wouldn't fit.
All right, let's see if it fits. Nope, too high. Way too high. There you go. Hey, it's looking pretty good. It just looks like a blind turtle.
Turtle that needs glasses, okay? Not blind. It can see. It's just give it a minute.
Like a boy, dude. Come on. Chip pisses me off. Does he piss anybody else off as much as he pisses me off?
Yeah, you're not quick.
Oh, why are you flinching?
Because you're slippery, like a slippery little snake.
Go ahead.
Yeah, exactly.
Go ahead,
Start
yeah,
flipping
go
you
ahead.
Back. Too bad your drop backs ain't that good on a bike.
Those are fighting words. Yo, it looks like a car now. It looks great.
I'm hyped. Can't wait to get the
awesome.
headlights on though.
So it's like basically street legal.
Not
Street
really.
ready.
Needs lights.
We could do that right now. Let's do the lights right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna throw the headlights in. And I swear we modded them for the mid-mount kit before, but Jip's telling me we didn't. But you can see we did a mid-mount intercooler. So piping runs up top. And this piece on both sides gets in the way. And so like the headlights like bolt to here. So this is hitting them. So we have to cut them up. So half-ass marked it. Jip did. So we're gonna slice this out and hopefully that fits around the intercooler. We gotta do it to both.
Got my new fresh shirt on. Shout out to Randy. Come here, bud.
Oh.
Come here.
Oh. Look
Come
at
here.
that little chest. Oh.
Let me see you, Bill.
Alright, so I put the camera out for a second, I cut it and I flattered it really nice so it has like a nice little arch to it, and we're gonna see Chip.
He's so cute.
Hey, FT with the beautiful fitment.
First T, ABD.
There you go.
Or no, MBD. Never been done.
So we gotta paint these brackets, but I'll make you do it another day. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Look at how tight that is around it, even around the hose clamp. I love it. Can't admit, I'm happy about it.
Fucking tight.
All right. They seemed lined up like pretty good, so let's try it. Close that hood, Chip. Now we've had the front end mocked up, but we haven't had it like fully on like this. It actually looks like a complete car. Well, the rear bumper's hanging off, but
That's freaking awesome. Your car looks better than mine.
oh, hyped right now, Chip.
Me too. I need skirts
Yeah,
now.
you sound it, dude.
Should we try and see if the headlights work? I gotta plug them in first.
I'll plug you in.
Shit.
Pass!
They're plugged in though.
Well,
Is there
on the
bulbs in
bright
those
side.
lights? Yeah. That sounds so good though, doesn't it? I love the way this all sounds.
What do you think, Tuck?
He gave you a yawn.
I was gonna say, he thinks it's boring. He yawned.
Shit barks harder than your dad's car.
You don't mean that.
I'm gonna deal about the headlights later, but I mean,
You just
Jip.
said I'm gonna deal with about the headlights.
Jesus Christ, I'm a
You need
mess.
sleep,
All right,
buddy.
guys, I'm gonna deal with the headlights later. Whatever. Jip, are you feeling more motivated now that your car's basically all together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get injectors and then testing too.
So when are you gonna register?
When it's driving a mint, because if I get it registered and I can't drive it, I'm gonna be motivated, but I'm just gonna be angry.
The insurance for this is gonna be dirt cheap. Just like go to DMV. It's the worst part. So everyone tell Jeff to register his damn car so we could like really break it in. I mean, look at this. This has been the most complete drag on ever. The car has been. Whatever. At least Tucker's cute. That's all that matters. Yeah. Jim, go home. Thank you for coming down.
Thank you for the help.
I'm happy. Looks awesome. DrewTube,
Later.
I'm sorry about your truck.
It's okay. Just gonna bring me home. Shout out to Jimmy. Shout out to Jim for bringing me home, and shout out to Jimmy for bringing me to the shop tomorrow.
So this was like a little side thing that we were doing all day, and we were hoping to be an easy fix. And so Drew's truck, unfortunately, I think needs a new clutch, probably because of these damn giant wheels.
Bitchin' wheels.
But the clutch won't disengage. Unfortunately, we tried everything we could to get it to engage. It's locked up. It happens sometimes when you roast your clutch. But it's okay. It's a lifted body, single cam KA, so this should be pretty
Yeah,
easy.
not hard. But I just ordered a twin disc ACT 6-puck.
We'll be doing this very, very, very shortly. I'm sorry, Randall.
It's okay. But
It's part of life. It'll have a freshy clutch.
thank you for the rides, both of you guys.
Yeah, we got you. All right, so the guys just left, and I think I'm gonna follow them on that because I'm exhausted. But we didn't get too much done today, but we did make progress on the budget hatch. It has been one drag of a project. It's been so close to being done for so long, but of course that's not really fully in my hands, so can only do so much. But hopefully Jip does register the car soon enough so we can take it out on the road, break it in, because it's ready for the road. It is road ready. We just need to dial in the tune, dial in the chassis, and just make sure everything's tight, sealed, and whatnot, because it needs a break-in. You guys know the deal. Now, it's definitely been pretty slow down here for the past couple of days. That's just what happens. Just with daily vlogging, you guys know, sometimes you just aren't ahead of yourself and you screw yourself. But this week is going to be mainly about the BMW and the S13 hatch, and hopefully one surprise that I've been trying to put together. BMW, I have to wait for the fuel pressure regulator, throw the fuel pressure together, and I have to figure something out about this radiator setup because the radiator hose hits the belt. So I'm thinking about hitting up a company and see if I can get a full aluminum one so we can mod the neck to basically go around the belt so we can make that all work. Besides that, I just am waiting on the base map for the tune, and hopefully she'll run. We'll find out. On top of that, we got some cool parts for the white S13 hatch, and we have some fun plans for that thing I think you guys are really going to enjoy. And then of course tomorrow is a really big day for the Lexus. As you guys know, we got this basically fully road ready, road legal. Only thing left to this, besides hopefully getting a new fender, is the windshield. Now the windshield's obviously shattered. It's been shattered. I got it shattered. It's unfortunate, but RJ knows a glass guy, so RJ put an appointment in for me like a week and a half ago, and tomorrow's the big day. So the IS300 will have a freshy windshield, and it'll make the car feel like an actual car, and it'll make the whole thing so much freaking nicer, because right now the windshield kind of ruins it. Cannot wait to drive this damn thing. Cannot wait to get the white hatch right, get that thing sold, get a lift, make some money, be happy. And of course we got a lot of other things going on. I just lost some momentum. I need to get ahead of myself so we can start making more moves, because I've been slacking the past couple days. So hope you guys still like today's video, and I hope you guys are excited for tomorrow's. So I guess that's about it. I'm gonna call it a night. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.